How to caulk a bathtub. We're gonna need caulk, a caulk gun, a knife, paper towels, and a screw. This inevitably happens on a bathtub where the caulk just gets old and wears out over time and doesn't seal the bathtub anymore. So we're gonna have to cut out all the old caulk and put new caulk in the edges. Take our knife, cut out as much old caulk as we can. Doesn't usually come out this easy. Thankfully this is. Take your caulk gun now with the caulk in it and lay down a new bead of caulk. After every bead, take your finger and smooth it out. Caulking the edges. Just needs to be cleaned in here now. But the caulk itself is done. Put the screw or whatever stopper you're using in the caulk tube to save it for later.